This is the latest from the Neopak company, sir. You might actually really like the bag. It actually fits really well with the laptop and it's very safe. You can carry it around, it's compact. It's really good. Okay. Yes, sir. How may I help you?
I got this phone from your shop, Channel 9, and it doesn't work. I want a refund.
Yes, sir. I will look into it right away. Could you just excuse me for a second? Sir, I'm so sorry for the inconvenience caused, but could I please see your receipt? Also, could you explain the problem to me completely?
I bought this phone 2 weeks ago and it didn't work. I brought it here for repairs and it's still not working.
I'm really sorry to hear that, sir. I'm sure it's extremely inconvenient for you to come all the way from Chandarnagar just to fix the phone. But let's see what
How
we...
did you know where I come from?
Oh, it's on the receipt, sir. I read that.
Again, this is the second video in the series of discussions that we are having based on the topic of the workshop, that is proactively understanding customers. हमने अभी तक बहुत सारी वैल्यूज़ की बात की है, पर जिस वैल्यू की आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं, it is a very very important value and very close to my heart as well. As you saw in the video, there was a lady, customer was very angry. So this lady was anyways a very pleasant personality, and even though she wasn't, she appeared a very pleasant personality to the customer. Customer was very angry and he could have created a lot of chaos. But this lady step by step followed a behavioral process which made which ensured actually that customer not just understands her point of view as well, but also goes back happily. We all are customers. We have discussed that whether you are internal or external customer doesn't matter. Everybody expects best of the customer service from you. So today's value that we're going to discuss is show you care, going beyond your current job description and address to service issues promptly. We discussed a couple of things in this particular value. We talked about a 5S model, and today I'm going to discuss that model again with couple of more details. The very first thing that we discussed was address the situation. Don't blame it to policies or company or the management. Why do we need to do that? Because the underlying thought about that is you need to seek to understand customers. Though in the video you saw the lady said that it is written in our policies, it is a part of our rules and regulation, but this is one thing that I actually want you to understand. When a customer is frustrated and angry, he or she does not want to look into the policies and the procedures. They want a solution. So the best thing to do is understand what customer is saying. At least acknowledge that I understand what you're saying and I completely agree with what your situation is, and had I been at your place, maybe I would have behaved in the same manner. So the best thing in the world is that whether you have a solution of a problem or not, that's a separate thing, but the most important thing is to seek to understand. The next thing that we spoke about was ask for customers' needs and preferences and why of a particular demand. Many a times हम सुनते हैं और मना कर देते हैं, पर ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कस्टमर से पूछना, which is seek to share empathy. Empathy means at least you ask क्या है, क्यों इतना ज़रूरी है, मैं पूछ सकता हूँ आप क्यों अभी के अभी इन्फॉर्मेशन क्यों चाहिए, या फिर आप इतना जल्दी इन्फॉर्मेशन क्यों चाहते हैं, what is the reason for that. Once you come to know the reason, when customer tells you the reason, it helps you to behave or to act in a manner that is helpful to the customer. So always seek why other person is behaving in this manner or wants something urgently, immediately, and what is the best thing you can do for it. The next thing that we discussed was offer a solution, give options whenever possible, and the underlying thought was seek to innovate. Before you say no to anything, just think about yourself. Do you want to hear a no from anybody for that matter? No, you don't want to. So customers क्यों ना सुनना चाहेंगे? कोई भी नहीं सुनना चाहता है, पर आप हर समय हर किसी को ना हाँ नहीं बोल सकते हैं. तो फिर आपको क्या करना है? बहुत सिंपल है. पहले तो एक्नॉलेज कीजिए, सुनिए उसे, वाई पूछिए, ऑफ द रीज़न पूछिए, और सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट फिर आता है गिव देम सम ऑप्शन. This helps you to build rapport with the customer and be on the same page as they are. The next thing is follow up with the customer. This is very important, as you saw in the video as well. The lady ensured that the customer went back happy, but at the same time they gave a follow-up call to the customer. That means seek to build many happy returns. That's the title of the workshop as well. Why do you need to do that? Because one brand ambassador gets you multiple customers. One bad customer takes away many prospective customers. The last thing that we discussed was announce mistakes before customer finds out, and the underlying thought behind that was seek to be proactive. The more you're proactive in admitting that there is a mistake and we are ready to fix it, the more you're able to build rapport with the customer, and these are the ways through which we go beyond our current job description and address service issues promptly. I hope this video also helps you to get this value better and practice it in real life as well. Thank you.